nice chips here, nice chips, and potato skins. Potato skin. From 2 potatoes I feel I didn't waste anything, and that goes with the salad. And again, so these I'm gonna dip with my beautiful mayonnaise. Take this out. Everything out. Don't waste anything. They're nice and crispy, nice and that's the time. So let's take this out. Take this out to the side. And now this just like that for tonight. Nice salad, tuna salad, fresh tomatoes, garlic, parsley, petit cornichon, nice chips, very thin chips, potato skin, mayonnaise, and of course, here we go, a Guinness. God bless.